Police officers are entrusted with upholding the law and safeguarding communities, a responsibility that carries immense trust. However, what happens when this trust is shattered by one of their own? Well, in this video, we will explain how and why police officers can betray their own departments and turn to the world of crime, shedding light on a troubling aspect of law enforcement that challenges our perceptions. Meet Shireen Allen, a 42-year-old police officer hailing from Jamaica. In a shocking turn of events, she found herself in a federal district court in Fort Lauderdale in the year 2022, where she made a startling admission. Shireen Allen, a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, pleaded guilty to charges that would send shockwaves through her community and the world. It's a tale that sheds light on a grave matter, one that will unfold as we delve deeper into this gripping narrative. Allen arrived at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, her journey originating in the picturesque Montego Bay, Jamaica. It was a seemingly ordinary day in 2022 when she stepped onto American soil, unaware that her life was about to take an unexpected and life-altering turn. As she passed through customs, U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officers meticulously inspected her, a standard procedure for all incoming travelers. Hidden within her, Allen had meticulously concealed packages of cocaine, ingeniously hiding them in her vagina and securely tucked away within her bra cups. The details of this discovery were both alarming and perplexing, showcasing the extent to which she had gone to smuggle this illicit substance into the United States. The repercussions of her actions were just beginning to unfold, leading to a legal saga that would ultimately reshape the course of her life. Furthermore, it came to light that Allen had ingested a significant amount, precisely 90 pellets of packaged cocaine, adding a layer of complexity to the unfolding situation. CBP officers, well trained in handling such scenarios, carefully supervised the process of recovering the ingested cocaine, prioritizing Allen's health and safety. In total, a substantial amount of over 1,000 grams of cocaine was found on or within her person. To break it down, about 200 grams were concealed in her vagina, while roughly 143 grams were discreetly tucked in her bra cups. The bulk, a substantial 690 grams, had been ingested and was later safely retrieved from her stomach. These numbers not only reveal the audacity of her actions, but also shed light on the challenges faced by law enforcement in their efforts to combat drug smuggling across international borders. She held a significant role as a law enforcement officer within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, a position entrusted with upholding the law and ensuring public safety. However, what makes this narrative all the more perplexing is the startling irony of a police officer becoming entangled in drug smuggling activities. This perplexing contradiction between her duty to uphold the law and her involvement in drug-related offenses raises significant questions about trust, integrity, and the persistent challenges faced by law enforcement agencies in addressing corruption within their own ranks. Allen's case serves as a stark reminder that even those in positions of authority can succumb to temptation, resulting in consequences that extend far beyond her own actions. Following the legal proceedings, Shireen Allen's fate was sealed with her sentencing, a pivotal moment in her story. The outcome of the case was nothing short of significant, as it entailed a substantial duration behind bars in an American prison. She was sentenced to serve nearly 3 years, a sentence that underscored the gravity of the charges against her. The consequences she faced for her actions extended well beyond the prison walls, casting a long shadow over her career and reputation. This sentencing serves as a stark reminder of the profound implications of engaging in criminal activities, particularly for someone who once held a position of authority and trust within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It's a sobering conclusion to this gripping narrative, emphasizing that the choices we make can have far-reaching and life-altering consequences. In many instances, law enforcement officers find themselves embroiled in practices they have sworn to combat. This unsettling pattern is not only a breach of trust, but also significantly more perilous than the actions of an ordinary criminal. Why? Because these individuals hold positions of authority, and their misconduct strikes at the very core of the justice system. When those tasked with upholding the law become entangled in criminal activities, it erodes the public's faith in the institutions meant to protect them. The consequences of such actions reach far beyond personal repercussions. They undermine the very foundation of a just society.